Let's get started on making your own mini school piñata. Once you have your cutout pieces all cut out, I went ahead and used a piece of tape and a piece of cardboard and just went around the edge and hot glue everything together. Once you have everything that's glued together and dried, I went ahead and used tissue paper. So I made pieces of strips and went around the edge first. As you see, I did a purple glue stick, which you can still see, so I had to change to a different type of glue stick. So I would recommend the white one. So all you want to do is cover the whole skull, the whole mini piñata, with white tissue paper. I did some fringes on the end. Then I used my cutouts from my Cricut machine or any cutting out machines that you use. Then ran it through my Xyron sticker maker. I do this because it's a sticker and it's really easy to put together and take off if you change your mind. Now to add the fun decorations. This is the fun part where all the kids really enjoy. They're just making it down. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe for more, and visit my blog for more details at jazzycreation.com.